Welcome to today's podcast. I'm your host Fazila, and today joining us Vikas Ahmed, co-founder of Symufolk. Together, we will explore how Symufolk is transforming healthcare with AI, tackling challenges in drug discovery, personalized medicine, and medical imaging, and virtual health. Let's get started. How are you, Vikas?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Fazila?
I'm good as well. So, Vikas, tell us, why did Semaphore collaborate with a medical research institution?
Basically, Symufolk collaborated with the Medical Research Institution in 2024, where they were facing the challenges in drug discovery, personalized medicine, medical imaging, and virtual health. So Symufolk helped them to cope these challenges.
And Vikas, can you tell us more about what technology has powered the or fueled the project?
So actually, Symufolk used the custom LLM models,
Hmm.
which includes the fine-tuned BERT, llama-based architectures, RAG models, diffusion models, and OCRs.
So, Vikas, you have already told us challenges they were facing. So, let's dive a little deeper and tell us what when you say that drug discovery challenge they were facing. So, what kind of challenge they were actually facing?
Fazila, as you know that the traditional methods used in the drug discovery
Hmm.
are very high cost. They are taking long time, very long time, and the molecular predictions are very low. The accuracy is very low. So these were the main challenges they were facing in the drug discovery, which increasing the timeline as well as the cost as well. So
So,
we help them to mitigate these challenges.
so we can say that that was very helpful for them, right?
Yeah, of course, it helped them to reduce their cost, minimize the time for the drug discovery, and as well as the accuracy in the prediction of the molecular structures.
And can you tell us more about personalized medicine, like what limits it?
So, actually, in personalized medicine, limited integration of genetic data, lifestyle data, and environmental data hinders it to in the discovery and in the discovery of the personalized medicine. So we help them to overcome this challenge as well.
And what were the issues with manual medical imaging?
So as far as medical imaging is concerned, so when the doctors are doing the manually the imaging uh, check, there are many human errors and delays in the medical imaging, like in the CTR, MRI scan interpretations. So this was the major challenge they were facing as well in this domain.
So you also mentioned virtual health, right?
Yeah.
So what were the main challenges you faced in that area?
So the in virtual health, actually there is a lack of access to timely and scalable virtual health solutions for the population that are based in the remote areas. So that was the biggest challenge they were facing in this domain. So we also help them to cope this challenge.
So as we have already discussed the challenges, so I have a questions, and I'm sure our viewers also wants to know that what are the solutions that Simofolk provided to these challenges. Let's move on with the AI with drug discovery.
So we use the AI models to make the molecular predictions. We use the in silico testing, and we use the OCR for the data digitization, which help them to cope these the challenges I already mentioned in the which reduces the time and cost in the drug discovery.
That is amazing, Gukas. So let's move on to the other category that you also mentioned, like personalized medicine, right?
Yeah.
So what were the solutions you provided in that area?
So in personalized medicine, we use the artificial intelligence, custom LLM models to train, where we create the comprehensive patient profiles, and we optimize the dosages, and we mitigate the biasness in the prescription medicine prescription. So which help the each and every patient. So that's not one treatment for all patients. So every patient has his own personalized prescription according to his genetic, environmental, and lifestyle data.
So we can say that it's a perfect solution for everyone.
Yeah, you can say it's like a beginning of a new era.
And because what advances the improved medical imaging?
So actually, in medical imaging, we use the vision language models, we use the diffusion models and OCR technology, and we use the AI-driven diagnostics, which improve the diagnostics and synthetic imaging data generation. So which help them in the diagnostics and which also reduce the cost and time as well.
Totally makes sense.
Yeah.
Let's talk about virtual health accessibility. That how did it become more accessible?
So, as far as virtual health is concerned, we have made a virtual health assistant using the conversational AI and dynamic knowledge retrieval like RAG models and personal follow-ups. And we also provide make a models which include the multilingual support. So, in these all improve the visual health like for the remote areas where the accessibility to the medical staff is very limited. So this virtual health assistant help them to mitigate this issue.
So let's move forward to the results and talk about more about analytics or numbers that our viewers and both me wants to know that what numbers that we have saved or we have done in the specific areas. So in drug discovery, what was the cost cutting you have done?
So, in the drug discovery, we cut the developmental cost by the 50%, and we also cut the timelines by 60%. Apart from these numbers, it also help like early stage trial accuracy, and because if we can use the improved, we can improve the early stage trial accuracy, it also help to reduce the failures. So. It not only help in the numbers but also in the other sense because to reduce the failures.
And how did personalized medicine improves the outcomes?
So as you know that the personalized medicine help like increase the patient adherence to the treatments by 40% and also reduce the adverse effects of the drugs on the patients by 20%, which overall enhancing the care quality. Apart from this, it also demonstrated the inclusivity with the bias pre-recommendation for the diverse populations.
And now let's talk about that. What was the impact of AI on diagnostics?
So, if we are talking about the AI in the diagnostics, it helps to improve the disease detection rate by the 30%. Apart from this, it also help to early diagnosis of the critical conditions, which improve the survival rates of the patients.
And when we talk about virtual health, what was the reaction you faced from patients?
So, as you know that when the as we talk about the virtual health assistant, so the patient satisfaction rate was increased by the 35%. It also expanded the access to the expert opinions for the remote areas and underserved regions. It also facilitated the multilingual consultations, broadening the reach and impact of the facilities to the underprivileged people.
Thank you so much, Fukas, for joining us today and giving us the details. Uh, I know that this is not something that would stop here. I know you guys have more plans in the future. So, tell us more to me and to the viewers that what are your future plans for the enhancements or something that you want to share with viewers and me also.
So, Fazila, thank you so much for giving me the time. So, as you know that like innovation and technology is not limited to something. So, yes, we have a very unique ideas regarding the healthcare. So, we can use the AI-driven biomarkers, and we can use the AI for the like scalable solutions for the oncology and rare diseases. We can use the advanced virtual health platforms, and we can also do the explainable AI for the trust building of the people, so they can trust them these platforms and use them for their benefits.
So, we can say that Symufolk is doing and probably gonna do the excellent job.
Yeah, definitely we have a multiple plans in which are undergoing. So viewers will see a lot of things which will be happening in the future regarding the AI in the healthcare.
Perfect. Sounds perfect. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was great having Vikas, and he shared valuable insights regarding healthcare industry and how Symufolk is helping the industry with AI. If you are facing similar challenges or you want to build something different, then reach us out at Symufolk. Once again, thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye.